Hey everyone, it's Liam's channel, and today I'll be speaking about the ladder matches. The ladder matches DVD, which is 3-disc set, the first one, and yeah. Quick look at the back. It's Edge, Reach for the Glory. Just put the box there. There's Jeff. It's about to see Swanton Bomb on Bully Ray. Matt Hardy and Edge. And we've got Rob Van Dam, got the leaflet, the match listings. It's quite cool actually. There's a disc. Okay. And disc 3. Very old pictures. The old classics are always better. Soon I'll be collecting it as American. John Benjamin, Dustin Jericho off the ladder. Oh, I can't be asked. At least tell you the matches. I can't be bothered. You got No Mercy, October 17th, 1999. Edge Christian. Versus the Brood. That's the year I was born, and that's all I'm gonna tell you. And there's that one. Don't ask me why, I don't read all the other match listings, but you see all other people do their videos and they read it out to you, so I don't have to. Put it up there. So there's Triple H, the King of Kings. This is only, there is only one. Okay. Please comment.
Yeah,
Armageddon. December 15th, 2002. 2 out of 3 falls match for the for the World Heavyweight Championship. Shawn Michaels versus Triple H. Oh, it was a fucking good match. Oh. And that's just the sleeve. Look at this for the artwork. Cool. WE, made by official by WE. This Triple H. Stunning edge. Sick one with John Cena. Just gonna need this too. Steel cage matches. No, this is a good one. This one's got Ric Flair versus Randy Orton, October Tuesday 04, October 19 on calendar. That's my favourite match. It's so brutal. I mean, I didn't even realise that they were making one of these. This one's the fucking best one ever made. It's too tight to get out. I'll read you some of my matches. Whatever there is, you got I think you got Austin and The Rock on there in a few fights. They've had a few feuds. Triple H and The Rock. and more. And that's that one. The best one I saved for last. Hell in a Cell. So my favourite match of all time with Hell in a Cell would have to be No Mercy with Undertaker and Brock Lesnar. But they topped it off in 2015 once again in Hell in a Cell. And that was an even more brutal battle. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you don't agree, or if you hate me already, just don't do thumbs up. But I like Bad Blood 04 with Shawn Michaels and Triple H, Survivor Series with Batista and Undertaker, Austin and when Kane invaded at Bad Blood pay-per-view, I think, and he took off the steel cage door. That was an amazing moment. Armageddon 2000 with the Fatal 4-Way, Austin, Kurt Angle, Rock, and someone else. When Vince McMahon came down with the truck, Rikishi got trucked off. Just loads. Absolutely loads. Take a look at this shit. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Two. Exhausting. Hell yeah. Yeah. Mankind got chucked off through the cell by Undertaker back in the day. Flash picture of Undertaker when he chucked Rikishi off at Armageddon into the truck. Rock and Rikishi, and that's what I was talking about. Six man. Yeah, that's the one I was on about. Yeah, you got Shawn Michaels the Undertaker in your house. Just so many. So many. So many memories here. weight. And thanks for watching. Bye.